So, good evening. I'd like to show you the mark first of the class. So this is the law. Oh, okay. I don't know. Okay. The condition of the class is like this. So this is the mark. Okay, I have saved this mark into Excel file. So this is the Excel file. I am assuming number 9 is Shu De Juan. I'm assuming because I cannot read this one. Okay, make sure.
You can
Uh,
see page here.
I haven't shared the
It's okay.
screen. Okay, I think I have to share the screen first. Where is share the screen? Entire page. Share. Share. Okay. Okay, I will share the mark of this class. Where is it? No, not this one. So, okay, this is the class. This is the exam results. Okay. I have saved the results in Excel file. This is the Excel file. Okay. I am assuming number 9, this one, is Shu Dejuan. Still 59.3. But still much better than Ten Hamdan Muslim, Anissa Nirwana, Gita Paramita, Yosha Victor Mahendra, Vera Deborah, still zero. So make sure you do the quiz because I will combine the quiz results with Professor Wiranto quiz or mark, and then this will be the final mark. Okay, to be safe, because you can do the quiz as many times as you like. To be safe, make sure you get like 80 plus. That's safe. So below 80, yes, you get some mark, but not an A. I really want you guys got an A because that's important for your transcript. Okay, make sure you get an A for your transcript. That's very important for applying for job and everything. That's very important. Okay. Uh, for Franciscus, tell the these are the only student registered to the class. Tell the others to register as well and do the quiz. You will be with me for the next 3 meetings, this meeting and the other 2 meetings, and then after that will be Professor Wiranto. So you will be with me for 3 meetings. For this particular meetings, okay, back again this one. For these meetings, I will try to focus on still on Orange, but I will focus on unsupervised learning, text mining, and image analysis for today. Okay. For the next one, I will move into Python. I will use Google Colab mostly, and then this particular what's that materials can be used as reference, but most of the time I will most likely use AI. So basically, the mindset is you get the ID from Orange and use AI to generate the Python source code, the needed Python source code using AI. I normally use Grok for generating source code. Sometimes I use ChatGPT, but Grok seems to give much better results for programming. So I use Grok most of the time. But so I basically mix between these two, either
Sir,
Grok or ChatGPT. Okay. So you are
sir,
welcome to use these things. Yes? Any questions?
yes, sir, can I ask something for the quiz?
Okay. What happened
Hello.
with yes.
Uh, can I know uh, I'll try to the quiz, but my quiz I recheck with the wrong answer.
Uh-huh.
This is only about the adding letter as only,
Adding
like adding letter as only.
adding as I
Yeah,
don't get
letter
adding what? Uh, if you can
letter
if you can screenshot the problem, okay? If you do the quiz,
Oh, sure.
you can screenshot and send by email to me. I will try to respond because
Okay.
I don't understand the ash. Wait,
Okay. Noted.
okay.
I
So
will screenshot it later.
okay, so please screenshot and send it to me. So I will check the questions. Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Uh,
sir.
Sorry,
Any
sir. I
yes
wanna ask.
yes.
I do my quiz and then I have a several number, which
You
is
have what?
several
So
confusion question and
okay.
answer. I have six numbers that make me confused because
Okay.
uh,
If you
some question is asking in the Indonesian language, then I answer it in Indonesia, but the
oh
correct answer in English.
English. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Most of the answer will be in English actually. So
I
the question still in process. So I'm still correcting the questions. So I try to migrate all the question into English. So some still mix.
okay. So I just need a screenshot then
Yeah,
email
screenshot.
to you.
So screenshot the questions. So I will try to find the questions and edit the questions because this is still so the original quiz in Indonesians, and then because of this, I have to migrate all the. So to be honest, we have like what 6,000 questions in this quiz.
Oh,
So
okay.
that's a lot. Don't worry. There's a lot of questions. So I have to spend a lot of times to edit the question. So if you find some errors, screenshot and send it to me. Okay?
Okay. And
Because
then okay, sir. You can
yes.
continue. Uh, I have one question that,
Okay.
for example, if the important document widget fails to read a particular file for one
Uh,
reason or another,
uh,
that file will be skipped or blah 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 blah. The
uh.
successfully read files will be sent to the output. Then I answer ignore, but the correct answer is skip, which is it is already mentioned before.
Oh. Okay. Okay. Screenshot and and
Okay,
I
okay,
have to find the actual questions. Okay.
okay, sorry.
To be honest, sometimes when I make the questions, I'm not fully wake up, so uh, so my brain is not synchronized yet. So sometimes I make silly questions. Sorry.
Okay, sir.
So
And
that's
then
about 6,000. So I'm hoping you get like 80 or something. I know there are a lot of error in the question. So okay, any more?
so after I send an email to you, then how about our grading, sir?
The great. So in the previous class, because there's a lot of errors, but I already removed most of the errors. Okay, many of these errors has been removed. So the grading still, I'm not adding any, except you can what's that, argue that the error like 20% of the question is errors. So that's okay. I can increase the mark. The previous one is worse, like 30% of the questions are errors. So the previous one. So right now the mark is at it as it is. Let me show you. So this is the actual mark. So the previous one I add 10% to this one, to the
Okay.
course total. Right now still remain like this. So your name is here.
Yes, Kevin Bujani, sir.
Wow, you are already good. Don't worry.
Okay,
You are
sir.
okay. You are fine. So you are okay. Tell the others to do the quiz. See,
Oh,
Hamdan,
okay.
Anissa, Gita. So you are okay. 84 is fine. Don't, no worries.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Make sure your name is
It's
here.
minimum.
So make sure your name in this list. If not,
Mm.
I'm in trouble. Because I have to tell Professor Wiranto, okay, this is the all the student enroll to my quiz, and then he may say, oh, where is this guy? This guy. I don't know. So make sure all your friend is in the list. You have the to do the quiz. I think around 1 or 2 months. I think 1 month or 2 months from now. I think. Okay. So you have plenty of time to do the quiz to improve the mark. 80 something is fine. So don't worry. So starting from Arzidan, Fadila is okay. Del Sio close to okay. So 70 close to maybe we'll get B or something for 70. But 80 something a little bit safe. I don't know the final mark. So final mark will be decided by Professor Wiranto, not by me. Okay. So if you can get a much better mark from me, your probability for survive is much better. Okay. No more questions? Okay. We'll continue. So I will today close to Maghrib prayer again. Okay. So I will start with these three. I will mix the unsupervised and image analysis. I will show you how the idea of the unsupervised learning with image analysis, because image analysis easier to understand because we can see the image. Okay, I am not sure I have shown this to you or not. Okay, so this is orange. So orange is very easy for us to understand how the machine learning and stuff like that works. For the image analysis, you can you need to install the image analytics what's that widgets by clicking option and then add-ons and image analytics. Okay, for example, in this one, I can import image. Okay, there is no image yet in this one. I need to check. Okay, this is orange folder, and this is domestic animals. Okay, I choose this folder. Okay, I have 20 image here. Okay, now I want to see what kind of image I have in my data, so I can drag image viewer and pass it to import image to image viewer, then I can see the image. So okay, this is the actual image. Okay, so these are the image. Basically, as human, we can classify that rooster and hen are same group. Okay, maybe like rabbit and cat may be the same group because these two are cute. Okay, that's cute group. And then we have calf, ox, cow. This seems to be in one group. Calf, ox, cow. This is human. So human can classify that. How can a machine classify these things? Okay, this is image. Okay, this is not text, this is image. So basically the machine should be able to identify, okay, this particular image has like 4 legs, 2 ears, this one 2 legs, one 2 wings basically, this one 2 legs as well, wings, this is 2 legs, wings, this is 4 legs, and so on. So we need to we need to identify the features of the image. So that's the idea for these things. If your data is number or text, it's much more easier to visualize. If the data is graphics like this, it's more difficult. Okay, but the idea is the same. whether the data is text, whether the data is numbers, whether the data is sound, whether the data is image or whatever. Basically, we need to identify the feature of the data. Okay. Now, how can we identify the feature of the data? Okay, I will not tell you the math or the great detail how to do these things. Basically, we do embedding of the image. Embedding is basically neural network. Okay, we can check in embedding. We use Google Inception version 3 model. Okay, so we use this one. What is Google Inception version 3? We can check Google. We can Googling. Okay, I will check. Oops, sorry. Google Inception version 3. Okay. So these are, sorry, I'll check image. Okay, so this is Google Inception version 3. Okay, let me see this one. So basically, Google Inception version 3 is neural network. That means, where is it? Where is the graphics? So basically, it will chop the graphic into this. Okay, so we have a graphics, and it will chop it and so on. So okay, so this is the one. Oops. Okay, so we have neural network like this. Okay, so we have our image. We fit the image. It can be 299 times 299 times 3. 3 is the color, I think. And then red, green, blue. And then we fit into the Google Inception version 3. The output is this one. 8 by 8 by 2048 features. So this 2048 is features derived from the image. Okay, how they do it? Basically, they use this neural network to do these things. Okay, so it's lots of neuron here, lots of dropout, concat, max pool, average pool, many things, and then you get the results. That's it. Okay, so we don't have to worry about these things. Basically, we have the results. So all we need to do, we need to send the image to Google and get the results. So we have to do it from here, from this thing here. Okay, but before we okay, this is Maghrib prayer. Okay, I will show a little bit. Basically, we need to the data is like this. The actual data is like this. We can see the image data in data table widget. So we have only this data. Basically, name of image, the either is JPEG or PNG image. Okay, and then it has this size in kilobyte, and then it has the information about width and height in pixel. That's it. There is no information that's dog is same group as rabbit or hen same group as chick. There is no information like that. So there is no information how many leg it has, how many ears, how many wings, and so on. So there is no information. These are the only information we have: size, pixel, height and width, and file name. That's it. Okay, so based on this one, so we need to fit the image to image embedding. So it send the image to Google. Okay, it's sending now. Okay, takes time. Okay, finish. Now we can check how it's look like. So this is the final results. See this? We have N0, N1, N2, N3, N4, and so on up to N 2047 because we start from zero. Okay, so we basically get 2048 feature of any image we send. Okay, so we have 2000 feature generated by Google Inception version 3. So we have a lot of feature here. So the idea is we need, when we do unsupervised learning, basically we need to, for example, this we are, let me get my, I try to make it bigger. Okay, basically we try to combine or make a cluster where the feature are similar. For example, for N0 we can see this 0.35, this is 0.3, 0.34, this is 0.35, but where else? This is 0.33, is quite close. So they are trying to make a cluster where all the feature is close to each other. Okay, so this is 0.35 is 4, 0.3 sorry, 0.34 is 4, 0.35 is goat, and 0.33 is cow, which are four-leg animal. The leg is 4, so we need to collect all these things. So we basically try to optimize the same feature out of 2048 features. So a lot of features, we are trying to optimize these things. Okay, now how to optimize these things? It's very easy actually. So we have unsupervised group here, unsupervised. These are the tool to work with unsupervised. So this data is unsupervised. There is no label in this data. Label that this is four-leg animal. This one is two legs. This one is fish. There is no label like that. So this data is not labeled. So basically we use distance here. Distance is basically trying to optimize the distance of all of this. Okay, so it's optimized now. Okay, now we want to see the cluster, the results. Oops, 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 I'm in trouble. Okay. For some reason it doesn't work. Okay. Nope. Okay. Okay. So this is the results. Okay. To make things easier, I will connect the results to image viewer as well. Okay, so this is the cluster we got, and this is the viewer. Let me see. Okay. Viewer, cluster. Okay, so this, the left hand side is the cluster, the right hand side is the viewer. Okay, let me see. Okay, now let me click this one. Okay, so these two are cute. It's classified as cute animal. That's it. And these are like white animal with four legs. We know as a human, we know that lamb is not cow. But these two, calf and cow, is the same way. Okay, but this one wrong. So that's the part that the algorithm may fail because because the image looks similar size, but actually we know lamb is much smaller than cow. Okay, that's the cluster number 1. Let me see this one. We change the cluster. So these are the four legs, brown. So these are the four legs, all the four legs here, and this one also four legs but different angle. Okay, so we have this four legs here. Okay, and this part is the hen, the rooster, chicken, turkey, and this one chicken duckling, this one goose. So they know that it's different between duck and goose, and hen rooster is different. But these are still the same. Sorry. So this one, same group. So we have group one, group two, and group three, and dog is different. The algorithm uh, cannot put dog in any of the groups. So there's dog is different groups. Okay, so that's basically the unsupervised learning. So we identify the feature and we calculate the nearest feature to one another and create a cluster based on that information. So, so in this one, I mix between image and unsupervised learning. Okay, we break for like 15 minutes for praying, and then we move on from that. Okay, thank you. Where is the